Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another cleaning routine. This is going to be a morning cleaning routine, but not an everyday morning cleaning routine. I do not clean my entire house every single morning. I wish I had the energy to do that, but I usually don't. This morning I was feeling really groggy, kind of tired, not wanting to get out of bed, and I needed to clean my house anyways, so I made me and Adriana a very good breakfast. I had a cup of coffee and I just got straight into cleaning, no excuses. I had to clean my house because it had been like a week since I really kind of deep cleaned it, and I knew it needed to be done eventually, so I just got straight to it. And let me tell you, it felt so good once I started to clean and once I started getting stuff accomplished that I started to get motivation and started to get really encouraged to just be motivated. I was like full of energy, and it just helped me be motivated for my entire day. So I highly recommend, if you need to like clean your house or get something done, to just make yourself a good breakfast, a cup of coffee, and get to it. Like without no excuses. Don't even think about what you're about to do. Just get straight to it and you will not regret it later, you guys. I got so much stuff done. I feel so much better. I feel more accomplished throughout the day. So I hope that I can give you guys some cleaning motivation or just some type of any motivation for your day to get something that you need done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, leave me a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And let's get on with cleaning.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I
you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb. Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven of you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make believe. Seven of you and only me. How can I trust your personality? Seven you and only one is for real. Let me be the one that makes you feel. Seven you and only me. Seven you and only one is for real. I don't know what to find, I don't know what to look for. Can you give a clue? You and your beat up guitar always seem to move me like a superstar. What's the story about you? What's the story behind that sad tattoo you're trying to hide? I think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven of you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make believe. Seven of you and only me. How can I trust your personality? Seven you and only one is for real. Let me be the one that makes you feel. Seven you and only me. Seven you and only one is for real.
I hold on to this storm cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go.
P.S. I totally just realized that I smelled PJ's shirt, and I know that it's sped up, but who else has to smell their significant other's clothes because they just throw them on the ground and you don't know if they're clean or dirty? I swear PJ always does this.
Where are you? What's up? What's going on? Simple truth, I'm low. Let's get it on. Touching the stars, touching the stars. Dancing, 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 feel like dancing in the moonlight. Dancing, 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 feel like dancing in the spotlight. Depending on you.
You guys, so that is it for this cleaning routine. I only didn't clean a couple of things. The kids' bathtub because I had already cleaned it yesterday. Both of the kids' rooms because I have a future coming video for that. And I didn't vacuum because I literally just vacuumed the night before. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.